Hello everyone, welcome to Study Nation. My name is Dinesh Singh or I am coming with a new lecture based on series Learn Concept through PYQ. तो यहाँ पे I have taken the question of NDA 1 2024. The question number is 103 of set A. तो देखिए what was the problem in this question, because this was the question based on the regression line. Okay. So regression line, there are 4 points are given. If you go by the traditional method which generally taught you in the class, यानी जो भी आपको पढ़ाया जाता है, most of the people don't teach this topic. Okay, ये topic में regression line में इस type के question नहीं बताए जाते. Okay, so I am just telling you how to solve these question. It is not a difficult one. If you go by the traditional method, it would be a lengthy one. तो देखिए there are two type of question. Okay, they are saying because in regression the line is what based on. Okay. Either the line is what y is based on s, means y on x. So we will talk about. So there are two lines. So y is equal to a plus bx. So this is the line which is what y is on x, or second line is what x on y. So अब आपको करना क्या है? So there are two variable a and b which you have to calculate. So there are two equation, very simple funda, because here the x is important. You have to calculate y with the help of x. So this is the first equation. You will put a summation. So first would be sigma y, it would be sigma a plus sigma bx. So means we will say sigma y, sum of all the y's. A how many times? So there would be what n points are given. So x1 y1 is the first point, x2 y2 is the second point, or so on xn yn is the nth point. So what we will write down, a would be added n times, so na plus b is a constant. So that is the first equation. Now what about the second one? Because y is calculated with the help of x, so multiply by x the complete equation. So this is the equation, multiply by x and take the summation. So what we will write down, sigma xy. Now this would be what? Sigma ax. Then we will say sigma bx square. So the second equation would be what? Sigma xy is equal to a times of sigma x plus b times of sigma x square. So this is the second equation. Clear everyone? Using these two equations you can calculate the answer. Now in the case of this case, so this is the second case. Again there are 2 points are given. So first would be what? Sigma x is equal to n times of a plus b times of sigma y. Interchange x and y, nothing else. Second would be what? Sigma xy is equal to sigma of y a into y plus b times of sigma clear. So what you have to write down? So means here we have to multiply by what? Y. Clear? So let's see how we'll solve the question. Come on everyone. So I hope it is clear. If y is on x, so a plus bx, if x in on y. Okay, so let's see. Start with this question everyone. What is given as? So first x, then y, then xy, then x square, because y is on x. So x is given as a minus 4, minus 1, 2 and 3. Y is given as a 1, 2, 7, 1. 1, 2, 7, 1. So what would be xy? Multiply of these two, minus 4, minus 2, 14 and 3. This would be x square. It would be 16, 1, 4, 9. Now summation, put a summation. So it's a summation of x would be what? It would be 0. Summation of y, 7 3s are 10 and 1 11. This would be summation xy. So this would be what? 14 3 17 minus 6 would be what? 11. What about this one? This is sigma x square. So 16 17 and 13 30. So now there are two equations. First would be what? Sigma y is equal to n times of a plus b times of sigma x. So what is a sigma y? Sigma y we have calculated 11. How many points are there? There are 4 points. So that is the first equation, because sigma x is equal to 0. Clear? Now coming to the second one, we will say sigma xy is equal to sigma x into a plus b times of sigma x square. This is the second equation. So we are saying this is the a and this is the b. Okay, sigma xy is what? It's a 11 is equal to a is what? Because we are saying sigma x 0 plus b times of, we are saying sigma x square, that is equal to 30. Clear? So b would be what? 11 by 30. A would be what? A would be 11 by 4. So what they are asking? 2a plus 15b. So means just calculate 4a is equal to 11. So 2a would be what? 11 by 2. And this would be what? 15. So 30 times it is also 11 by 2. So now what would be the answer? So we will say answer would be what? 11. So B, Bombay is the correct answer. Okay. So this is all about this concept, everyone. So if you find any number, so always remember you will not find more than 4 point. Okay, 3 to 4 point. Okay. So whenever you find this type of question, you can use this method. आपको इसमें standard deviation, covariance निकालने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है, because that would be very lengthy method, and this is the shortest method to solve this. Okay. This is all for this lecture, everyone. If you like this video, please do like this video, share it with your friends and do subscribe my channel. और आप मेरा WhatsApp ग्रुप और Telegram ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, जिनके लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है. And if you have any query, I have given my Telegram ID on the description. You can mail me or you can write me on that. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye. Take care.